If you're on the hunt for the perfect guitar amp in 2025, stop scrolling. I've tested the top 5 amps on the market, from legendary names like Fender and Marshall to high-tech beasts like Positive Grid and Yamaha. I pushed each one to the limit. Clean tones, crunch, metal, bedroom practice, full stage setups. And what I discovered might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which amp delivers the best tone, value, and features for your needs. And I'll reveal the one that absolutely blew me away. So grab your pick, turn up the volume, and let's find your next dream amp. The Line 6 Catalyst CX100 earns its spot as a feature-packed, budget-friendly powerhouse. This dual-channel, 100-watt combo amp combines classic amp dynamics with modern digital versatility, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned players. It comes loaded with 6 original amp models, ranging from crystal clear cleans to high-gain distortion, plus a full suite of onboard effects like delay, reverb, modulation, and more, at just $399. It's one of the best value amps on the market in 2025, offering a robust, gig-ready setup without emptying your wallet. What sets it apart is its connectivity and control. With USB recording, XLR line-out, MIDI compatibility, and dedicated software editing. The Catalyst CX100 is more than just an amp, it's a complete tone-shaping workstation. The 1x12 speaker handles a wide frequency range with ease, delivering tight lows, articulate mids, and sparkling highs. Whether you're jamming at home, recording in your studio, or hitting the stage, this amp is ready. For players who demand power, flexibility, and affordability, the Catalyst CX100 is a strong contender and a brilliant way to start this countdown. The Positive Grid Spark Live is not your traditional guitar amp. It's a game-changing, all-in-one performance system built for today's multi-instrumentalists and content creators. Whether you're a solo artist, a looping enthusiast, or just someone who loves premium sound, this amp delivers versatility like no other. It offers multiple input channels for guitar, bass, vocals, and keyboards, along with studio-quality effects, intelligent tone matching, and real-time control via the Spark app. The result? A powerful platform for live performance, practice, or recording, all from one compact unit. At $549, the Spark Live brings pro-level functionality at a fraction of what a full PA setup would cost. With Bluetooth streaming, USB-C connectivity, auto EQ, and a built-in 4-driver stereo speaker system, it doubles as a high-end Bluetooth speaker, perfect for both music playback and live shows. What's more, its portable design and intuitive controls make it incredibly easy to take anywhere and dial in great sound fast. For musicians who want maximum functionality, smart control, and performance-ready sound, the Spark Live is a futuristic amp that truly earns its name. When it comes to iconic rock tone, few names carry the same weight as Marshall, and the DSL40CR proudly carries that torch forward. This 40-watt all-tube combo amp delivers the legendary British roar that has powered countless stages and records. With 2 channels, classic gain and ultra gain, and independent EQs, you get a wide range of tones from clean sparkle to heavy distortion. Add in presence and resonance controls, and you've got a tool that can shape sound for any style. At $749, this amp hits the sweet spot between vintage tone and modern flexibility, making it ideal for both gigging guitarists and serious home players. The 1x12 Celestion V-Type speaker offers a well-balanced response, while the emulated output, FX loop, and MIDI compatibility give it studio and stage versatility. Whether you're after that classic crunch, searing leads, or responsive cleans, the DSL40CR delivers with the unmistakable Marshall punch and presence. It's rugged, reliable, and ready to rock, a go-to amp for players who crave authentic tube tone with performance-ready features. The Yamaha THR30II Wireless is a studio-grade desktop amp that redefines what a practice and recording amp can be. Sleek, compact, and loaded with features, it's perfect for home players, songwriters, and portable jam sessions. Inside, you'll find 15 realistic amp models, 8 high-quality effects, and Bluetooth support for wireless audio streaming and editing via Yamaha's THR remote app. The tones range from clean and bluesy to aggressive and modern, and they sound incredible even at low volumes. Priced at $549, it delivers premium features in a compact, beautifully designed package that fits on any desk, shelf, or home studio. A standout feature is the built-in rechargeable battery, which means you can take your tone anywhere. No power outlet required. Plus, wireless compatibility with Line SIXS Relay G10T transmitter makes cable-free jamming a breeze. The stereo speaker system offers surprising depth and clarity, making it great not just for guitar, but for music playback as well. For players who prioritize convenience, tone quality, and modern tech integration, the THR32 wireless is a perfect blend of form and function, and one of the most stylish amps on the market today. At the top of our list is the Fender Tone Master Deluxe Reverb, a stunning recreation of one of the most iconic tube amps in history, now reborn with modern digital technology. It looks, feels, and most importantly, sounds like the original, but without the weight and maintenance. This amp delivers 22 watts of beautifully modeled tube tone, capturing that legendary Fender sparkle, chime, and spring reverb that guitarists have loved for decades. From clean jazz riffs to surf rock crunch, the tone is simply inspiring. At $1,117, it's the most premium amp on our list, and it shows in both performance and build quality. It features a solid pine cabinet, a Jensen N12K neodymium speaker, and adjustable power attenuation, so you can dial in crank tones at bedroom levels. Plus, it offers a balanced XLR line-out with impulse response cabinet sims, making it perfect for direct recording or silent stage setups. With a 2-year warranty and unmatched attention to tonal detail, the Tone Master Deluxe Reverb is more than just an amp. It's a modern classic designed for players who demand the best of both vintage feel and digital convenience. So there you have it, the top 5 guitar amps of 2025, each with its own strengths, character, and purpose. If you're after versatility and value, the Line 6 Catalyst CX100 is a smart choice. Want an all-in-one solution for multi-instrument use? The Positive Grit Spark Live is your go-to. Love the raw power of classic rock? You can't go wrong with the Marshall DSL40CR. Need a portable, modern amp that fits on your desk, but sounds like a studio rig? The Yamaha THR32 wireless is unbeatable. And for those who want premium tone in a lightweight body, the Fender Tone Master Deluxe Reverb truly steals the spotlight. But remember, the best amp is the one that inspires you to play more. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews and demos, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, stay inspired, stay loud, and keep shredding.